You're doing your best with walking, with stretching, maybe even following some YouTube workouts, but your scoliosis back still feels stiff, sore, or you're just feeling off balance. And you're not just imagining it. In this video, we'll talk about a few things that might be making it feel worse and what to focus on instead to feel stronger, more supported, and more at ease in your body. So before we even start to talk about your movement practice, we do need to talk about awareness of your day-to-day posture. Think about the things that you are doing or maybe not doing during the day that might contribute to your symptoms getting worse. And I am talking specifically, which is a big problem for scoliosis, is being in one position for a long period of time. Our spines are just having a little bit of a harder time at dealing with this. And yes, I am talking about sitting. Think about how you sit. I know we cannot always avoid sitting. What we can do, of course, is take breaks, walk around a little bit, come back into sitting if you need to. But think about the way that you are sitting. And I do have a great video on tips for sitting here, which you can check out after this video. So the best thing that you can do for your scoliosis is not being in one static position all the time, but making sure you do get enough movement. But what type of movement is actually the best for scoliosis? And most kind of general workouts, they just don't take into consideration your very unique curvature and your pattern with scoliosis. And when we're just doing generic workouts and we are in our scoliosis pattern, we might just be contributing to that tension and pain building up. Now, the other thing that might be making your symptoms worse is overstretching. Stretching more isn't always the answer, especially with scoliosis. And yes, it might feel really good in the moment, but in the long term, we need something that helps us support our spine and really helping us to be able to support our spines against the force of gravity. So yes, you need a little bit of both. We need the release, but we also need the support. So 3 elements that your movement routine should include is, first of all, awareness of your unique curvature and creating a program around your specific scoliosis pattern. Second of all is building some strength. And yes, I'm talking about core strength here, and building up some muscles to support your spine and your joints. And the third element that you should include is some breath-led work that helps you to release some tension and releasing those overworked muscles. And this doesn't have to be overwhelming at all. You don't need 90 minutes a day and you don't need fancy equipment. Just a few simple tools and of course the right guidance. In the next video that is on your screen right now, I will guide you through a short 10-minute session to release your lower back tension.